Namaste friends, welcome to my channel Prep for Mechanical. Today we will solve 10 multiple choice questions related to mechanical engineering asked in different exams. Let's start with our first question. Our sixth question is: an ideal gas is stored in a piston cylinder arrangement if the piston is moved in such a way that the volume of the gas gets doubled at the constant temperature. Then the pressure of the gas becomes or remains. Here in this question, an ideal gas is kept in a piston cylinder arrangement such that when the piston is moved, the volume of the gas gets doubled, and all this process is happening at constant temperature. What will be the change in its pressure? Since here the gas is an ideal gas, that's why PV by T equals to constant. Also T is given as constant, so PV equals to constant. In this question, V2 is given as 2V1, is that volume gets doubled after expansion. Let us take initial pressure as P1. What will be P2? We have to find out. Since PV equals to constant, so P1 V1 equals to P2 V2. By putting the value of V2 in place of V2, P1 V1 equals to P2. In place of V2 we can put 2 V1, V1 cancel out, so P2 equals to 2 P2, P1 equals to 2 P2, so the pressure will get halved. Our seventh question is: constant volume process is also called as. Options are isobaric, isochoric, isentropic, adiabatic. Constant pressure process is also known as isobaric, constant volume process is also known as isochoric, and constant temperature process is also known as isothermal, and constant entropy process is known as isentropic. So here in this question, constant volume process is also known as isochoric process. Our eighth question is related to efficiency of Carnot engine. The question is: what is the efficiency of Carnot engine with source temperature 1000 Kelvin and sink temperature 250 Kelvin? Let us note down all the data given in this question. T higher temperature is given as 1000 Kelvin. T lower temperature is given as 250 Kelvin. Efficiency of Carnot engine is equals to 1 minus T lower temperature by T higher temperature. By putting all the value, we will get the efficiency 250 by 1000, which is equals to 1 minus 0.25 equals to 0.75, is that 75%. So the correct option is C. I have already made a separate video on Carnot cycle. You can watch that. For more details, I will provide the link in description. Our next question is: In throttling process, which of the following parameters remains constant? And the options are enthalpy, entropy, temperature, pressure. Let us first know what is throttling process. In throttling process, fluid is passed through a restricted passage, and this process is done by valves which is partially opened, and this type of valve is known as throttle valve. In throttling process, work done is zero and enthalpy remains constant. This is a type of irreversible adiabatic process. And this process is done to reduce pressure. Our last question for today is, a 1 meter long uniform beam of 2 kg mass is being lifted vertically up by a force F at the 100 cm mark. What is the minimum force required to do so? And the options are 1 Newton, 2 Newton, 10 Newton, 20 Newton. And the diagram is given here. So mass of the beam is given as 2 kg, hence the force acting in downward direction due to its weight will be equal to 2g Newton, and it will work at half the distance of the beam, is that 50 centimeter. We will take g as 10 meter per second square, and all the clockwise forces will be taken as positive and anti-clockwise forces will be taken as negative. By taking moment at O, we will get 2g Newton into 50 centimeter minus F into 100 centimeter equals to 0. We are taking F as negative because it's working in anti-clockwise direction, and 2g as positive because it's working in clockwise direction with respect to O. So 2g Newton into 50 centimeter equals to F into 100 centimeter. By solving out, we will get F equals to 10 Newton, and the correct option is C. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel if you liked my video and give your valuable feedback.